Paint me a picture, use colors of starlight.